I had a little bitty tip I wanted to show you today because I will say that I have Copilot everywhere in my tenant, in all my applications and everything, but I use it the least, I would say, in email, with the exception of probably flows, either in Power Automate or Gemini flows, where the AI is drafting emails for me. All right. But I don't actually use it in email. And that doesn't mean it's not great there. It's just that I discovered something that I had been missing all along. So I have to do international communications, which means I have to talk to customers all over the world, sometimes in English and sometimes in French. And I found my favorite Copilot feature here by my professional email or my business communications need to be written really well if I'm talking to someone in France. So I write the email the way it should be written in English, and then I just highlight it, click this little pencil, and say auto rewrite. And now it's going to, and this is the instructions it has, by the way, it's going to always translate into French. I can read it first. And then if I'm happy with it, all I have to do is click replace. I really, really love this feature because it saves me a lot of time checking grammar, checking, like adjective and noun accords and gender. I just write it in English. Usually I don't have time to do like a little French lesson. And so this way it always looks good when they get it. And it's not that I don't write well in French. It's just that it takes me longer to write in French than it does in English. But this way, it takes me the same amount of time because it's just right click, auto write, and then replace. I do always read it before I send it though, to make sure that it really sounds like what I wanted to say. So I don't assume anything. Even when I have Power Automate use an AI prompt to draft an email, or I use Gemini's workspace flow to draft an email, in both cases, I have it drafted in my draft inbox and not send it. So, but I really love this feature. Just wanted to share it with you. And you can give Copilot the instructions as to always translate in a particular language, or you can just ask it every time what language you want. If you want to know where I gave it that instructions, you just go to File and then Settings. I'm in Outlook in the web. Go to File and then Settings, and then go to Pilot. And then from Copilot, click on Draft Instructions. And then in here it says, give Copilot some instructions about your emails, like the tone, length, greeting, so your AI-generated drafts sound more like you want them to. Okay? So I just defaulted it to translate in the French. You can also do things like no M dashes, please, right? You can do that kind of thing. You don't have to say please, but I'm very polite. So you put that kind of instructions into your Copilot in Outlook, and then you'll have what I have. Choose any language you want. It's kind of fast and cool. All right. Thank you. I'll be talking to you soon about other things.